Hello everyone, I am Pepino here, and this is the Kerbnik Deep Space 1. I'm back for some more Kerbal Space Program, and in this mission we are going to be launching a satellite into deep space, hopefully around the planet Duna. And Duna is the planet just farther out from the sun than us, and so hopefully everything will go according to plan, and we can get a satellite orbiting it so that we can study it and see if it would be safe for possible landings there or whatever. So here we go. Launching in 3, 2, 1. Alright, there we go. We got a bunch of solid fuel boosters. As you can see, this is a very large craft, and it has to be, so we're sure to have enough fuel to get into orbit around other planets. We just would hate to run out of fuel and just be randomly orbiting the sun. And so hopefully these solid fuel boosters don't overheat before they run out, which it looks like we'll be fine. So once we detach that stage, then hopefully we're going to have enough power in the remaining engines to continue to lift us. So here we go. And we're going solid fuel boosters, and we are slowing down. That's not good. We may not have enough power. Oh, no. Okay, wait, no, we're speeding back up. Speeding back up. So that'll be good. We are gonna make it. And now we should have plenty of fuel, checking the map. Let's zoom out and I'll show you. Here is Kerbin, here's its orbit, and here is Duna's orbit. So we're gonna set a target for Duna, which is right there, and if we do this right, we're launching this way, we can maybe meet up with it somewhere around here. That's the plan, at least. So, this launch could take a little while to get our apoapsis out far enough to escape Kerbin's gravity. It needs to get out way past the orbit of Minimus, and right now it's not anywhere near there. So, what I'm gonna do is I'll just watch it, and then I will bring you guys back once our apoapsis gets far enough where we can escape Kerbin's gravity. So, be right back. Okay, our apoapsis is increasing now, and we're doing very well on the fuel side of things. So, once our apoapsis gets out far enough, we can hopefully set a course to have an encounter with Duna. So, let's just watch this here. It's at almost 3 million. We need to get out a lot farther, but it goes up faster as we get along. So that'll be fine. Minimus is at 46 million, so we gotta get past that. But see, it's getting a lot faster as it grows. So, would have had an encounter with the moon there, it looks like, real quick, but there we go. Now we are escaping Kerbin's gravity, and there's our sun apoapsis. We don't want to get that too far out. Now we want to get it far enough to have an encounter with Duna, and we may get lucky based on the position of Duna, where we could have that right away. So let's see. Alright, there's our closest approach, right there, and there's the target position at closest approach. So we need to take longer till we meet it, which means we need to speed up, which is the opposite of what you would think, but the faster we go, the longer our orbit is, which means the longer it'll take to get to where Duna is. So we're going to speed up, and you can see the distance of our closest approach there if you're watching. It's right below the arrows there. That's going down. We need to get it to go down enough to be captured by Duna's gravity. So, we're getting close. So we have an encounter with Duna now. Our Duna periapsis is right around 31 million. And that means that we can speed up time now till we get over there. And once we do that, same thing we had to do with putting satellites in orbit around the moon Minimus and Kerbin. We just have to slow down enough to get captured by Duna's gravity. So that's going to be our goal. We're just going to spin around till we get over there. It's 60 some days away. This mission is going to take obviously a lot longer than our other ones, and this really gives you a scale of how small Kerbin's actual field of gravity is. All of our missions have taken place within that little dot right there. You can see where all 3 of our satellites are orbiting there. So this is the first mission outside of that. So there are lots more horizons for us to explore. And so that'll be fun now that we're actually starting to get out into the solar system a little bit. And now we're getting close enough. Now we're gonna not speed up time as much. We're gonna zoom in here. So 4 days away and counting. We'll zoom in. Once we get in close, we're gonna have to just slow ourselves down a lot, like I said before. So hopefully everything's going well. Got plenty of fuel left, so we should be able to do this, I would think. So now we're less than 2 days away from our Duna encounter, and here we are. We're getting close. As soon as we have the encounter, I'll go to normal time. There we go. And let's see if we can actually see where Duna is. Might be pretty small right now still, and difficult to see. Spinning around, I don't actually know where it is, and I don't see it. But we'll have plenty of time to look at it once we get closer. Or maybe it's between us and the sun somewhere, I'm not sure. Either way. Alright, well, should be, yeah, it's between us and the sun. Not sure if we can, oh, no, there it is. Right down there, if you can see, just below our rocket right now, there is Duna. So, what we gotta do now is get our ship turned around, which, with how slow these things are at turning around, could take a while. So what I'm gonna have to do is, because you can see how slowly this is actually turning, I am going to stop recording here for a little bit, and I'll bring you back once we're turned around, because it'd be a little boring to watch this dot crawl along the screen. So I'll be right back. Okay, back. We're almost there. We've almost reached where we need to go, the direction we need to burn in. So what I'm going to do is start the burn. Nope, not quite yet. Alright. Now, once we get down there, what we're going to have to do is right here start the burn, and that should slow us down sufficiently. Now, where is the planet? Well, never mind. We'll be fine. down here. Alright, now, there we go, there's Duna and Ike. I'll set this as a target so we know where the planet is. What I should be able to do also is bring our periapsis down more, which will help a lot. So, what I want to do is burn between the planet and the opposite direction of where we're going. So right here, the planet's going to be down that way. So you see our periapsis is falling there, and we are also slowing down, which both of those combined should make for an orbit eventually.